Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to recolor only one color in Photoshop for many ways. I apply this color logo, follow my process step by step. Okay, recolor this. Step 1, can you use for this magic wand tool, single color or multiple color. Then select this color, click the icon, whose iterations or solid color as you wish. Lock this color, then click and drag it for recolor. And step 2 again select this logo, select tab, click select tab, recolor, color range and click any color, only this color, click OK. Now see this automatically selected only color. Then you color this plate or solid color as you wish. I use this color whose iterations, lock, click and drag it. Okay. Step 3, find this gradient tool and use paint bucket tool, foreground pattern, then click. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.